In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle. Set up an hour and hit OK. Now adjust all of those new alarm settings however you want to. Start by hitting Add Label at the top and naming it. Then hit OK. To change your hour, tap on it, change it and hit OK at the bottom right corner. To pick days of the week, tap on the chosen ones, and to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm. Pick a date and choose OK. You can always delete it by clicking on remove button right next to it. If you want to disable or enable your alarm, click on this switcher. To change sound of it, use this icon of a bell. Download Spotify or YouTube Music and then log in from here, or select Dismiss and pick one of those options. You can hit Add New, tap on any song from your device and apply it, or select one of those sounds. Click on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback, and this plus next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it. When you finished, hide those options by clicking at the top right corner. To edit your alarm, click on the same one and make your changes. And to get rid of it, use the late one at the bottom left one. If you want to adjust more alarm options, click on those three dots at the top right corner, hit settings and manage all of those under alarms. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!